It's the season for the match, but many of you are also gearing up for SOAP. But what if we told you we've made the process a whole lot easier for you? Introducing IMG-GPT, our brand new AI-powered assistant designed exclusively for IMGs to answer all your questions about SOAP. No more endless scrolling through outdated forums or confusing blogs. With IMG-GPT, get expert, reliable answers tailored just for IMGs in seconds. IMG-GPT is an AI-powered assistant built exclusively for IMGs, answering all your questions about SOAP. Use IMG-GPT to get all answers cleared for SOAP preparation. So, why use IMG-GPT for SOAP preparation? Time-sensitive answers. Get instant, accurate responses when every second counts. Expert guidance. AI-powered insights tailored for IMGs navigating SOAP. Streamlined process. Clear steps on eligibility, applications, and interviews. Personalized support. Focused on IMG-specific challenges and solutions. 24/7 availability. Help anytime, even minutes before an offer round. Maximize your SOAP success. Visit ai.usamlasarthi.com now and try it out.